Inside the Magic, covering Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and more.
And counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanadon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Cearadactylus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just a little one.
All rabbits. Dinosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. On the moving signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify. Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Slow and identify.
Soaring.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian. Move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
In 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going. Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! That was close. Computer, now what?
Taurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanadon.
Forget it! Get them out now! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!